Are you ready?
I'm ready. You can start if you want.
Yeah, good luck.
Okay, have fun. Good match.
Yeah, you too, man.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna end the submissions right now. I give you 30 more seconds if you want to put your match balls on either of the players. Okay, this is a pretty even start. I'm closing the submissions now. Nice rally, nice rally. Fluid from Hurricane. Aiphaton wanted to counter. Didn't find the table. Really good forehand from Hurricane. Makes it 4-3. He has second serve. Got a 2 points lead. Another mistake from Aiphaton. Hurricane 9-6, second serve. And he has 4 game points right now. Last one saved, but still, the way he's playing, I think he's got this under his belt. Aye. Beautiful rally. That was a really good save, really good stretch on the forehand. By Aiphaton, but then the follow-up from Hurricane just seals the deal and he takes that opening game. Aiphaton definitely has to put a little bit of pressure on Hurricane. Can't let him have all of the freedom. Exactly like he did now, just changing the rhythm a little bit, slowing the pace of the game, more spin. Everything that can break the rhythm for Hurricane. And here we go. This is the story. When you play against Aiphaton, like he does 1-2 good shots, and then you start making mistakes on the shots that previously were going in. No, I think it's Hurricane played really well. Like the points that he was winning, he's playing really well, so. Great hole, nice comeback from Hurricane. Aiphaton still hanging on there. 9-0. Again, that's slower, with more spinny loop from Aiphaton. Causes problems to Hurricane. That was a great recovery from Hurricane. He was on the back foot, but then he blocked the shot that Aiphaton didn't expect him to block. And then suddenly he went on the front foot, but didn't cover that into a point. But that's really, really close. Really, really close. Yeah, we can see the difference, how Aiphaton is just dealing with those slower spinner loops.
Let's serve.
He hasn't lost a ranked from June 19th, but also just how many matches did he play ranked since that time? It's not like he's playing 20 ranked per day, so. Ah, a whiff from Joe. Amazing rally, really well played by both of them. We've seen that huge forehand from Aiphaton, but Joe didn't even blink. He was just ready for this. Yeah, so 20 ranked matches in more than a month. That's not a lot. Again. These slower open ups. Ooh, a bit of luck going Hurricane's way. I don't think he minds, even though he raises the hand probably on the face that we don't see. We would see the smile if we could see it. Again, I think that the main difference is Aiphaton can just slow down the rhythm and he wins in these exchanges. Here again, it was a slower open up and Aiphaton plays the second tempo, and that's where it breaks the rhythm of Hurricane. When the tempo is 1, he's the one having the upper hand, but when Aiphaton is breaking the tempo, he's just slowing down a little bit. That's when Hurricane is just making the mistakes, a bit more mistakes. But it's still a really close game, I think in this match, the details will make the difference in the end. Oh, that was a VR bounce, but Aiphaton is doing Aiphaton things again. He just brings it back. Yeah, we can see the pace is already changing a little bit. Hurricane is still playing fairly fast, but not as fast as he did in the first match, so now Aiphaton has more room to shine. And again, like in the first match, that forehand that he just played, you would see it going full power, and now he's just playing more to put the ball on the table. Another really good rally, but again, it's Aiphaton coming out on top. This time Hurricane did manage to convert that rally into a point. Really well played. And he's still fighting.
Let's serve.
Only 2 points difference. Yes, exactly. That forehand is more like what we want to see and what he has to do. Another really good rally. Aiphaton sends the forehand long. Only 1 point difference. And it's 9-all. Now it's Aiphaton with its serve. That was a little bit lazy. If he would have stepped, I'm pretty sure that forehand would be on the table. That was a missed opportunity, and now Aiphaton again with a game point. And he takes it. Hurricane didn't expect the placement to be on the wide forehand. Yes, a really good match. Yeah, Seldon does what he can, but you didn't write. Seldon does what he can to hide himself from everyone on the stream. That's great, Lucian. I hope that you enjoy it, because this is a really good match. Ooh, beautiful combo. Beautiful combination of backhands from Hurricane. Stretches the lead. Of course, as soon as I say that, he loses the point. And then a mistake on the receive. Usually that forehand goes in for Aiphaton, so they are returning the favor to each other a little bit. And again, that ball a little bit loose, but he's breaking the rhythm because the placement, we can see Joe is just picking the side, and then there is a loose ball going to the middle. Doesn't recover in time. Yeah, he definitely is feeling the pressure. Who wouldn't feel the pressure? Only someone who doesn't really care. Really nice block from Hurricane. Makes it 1-all in the second match. Very smart play from Aiphaton, very smart play. Ooh la 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 la, really well played by Hurricane. Holy moly. Actually, Francisca did manage to beat Malong today. So, if we translate that story into ETT, then Aiphaton is Malong, so that would mean that actually Hurricane does manage to beat Aiphaton today. but it's still a long way. Before he can do that, he needs to take at least one match under his name first. Bit of luck going Hurricane's way, 6-all. He has 2 serves of his own now. Ay, 2 easy mistakes from Hurricane, and now Aiphaton with a 2 points lead and 2 serves of his own. But with Aiphaton it doesn't really mean much that he's the one with the serve, because it doesn't really go for a service that put you in a disadvantage. He's just playing table tennis and he puts one ball more than you on the table. Beautiful backhand, we could see the squat, and Aiphaton makes it 2-0. I'm not gonna say I'm a little bit sad, because the way Joe is playing, I would prefer this match to be 1-all right now. This would be really good for his confidence, but then he's playing really well. In the end, he lost 2 matches. That won't really help. So I would much more prefer this to be 1-all right now. Just for the sake of the show.
What?
I agree that Hurricane already won, because he's making Aiphaton work for it. Great rally. Really unfortunate that Hurricane doesn't connect that forehand. Yes, this is a really good game. Yeah, I think that was a sign from Aiphaton that he is feeling the pressure. But now I think we can see a crack on this really strong facade from Hurricane. Nice touch from Aiphaton, really nice touch to bring it back. He was digging deep, but Hurricane makes him work for it, and in the end it's Hurricane coming out on top. Again, Aiphaton just slowing down the rhythm a little bit.
My cat is lying on the play floor. Go away. Los.
And another fairly easy mistake from Aiphaton, and we have a Deuce. Now an easy mistake from Hurricane. I think they both feel the pressure. Definitely, definitely. And Aiphaton takes that opening game of the third match. Unlucky, unlucky. Slight miss from Hurricane, but then Aiphaton just makes an unusual mistake for a player like him. So definitely we can see the sign of the pressure on both players. That placement on the backhand from Aiphaton was just top of the top, but then the follow-up failed him. Aiphaton on the fish, but again Hurricane just patiently waiting, and he gets rewarded for that. Nice, really well played by Hurricane. And again Aiphaton making a mistake on the third ball attack. And again, really smart play from Hurricane. Putting the pressure on Aiphaton, but doesn't overheat his head. He's still thinking clearly about what he needs to do. Beautiful block from Hurricane. Gets himself back into the rally. Ay, 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 ay. Slight miss. And again, Aiphaton with a 2 points lead. Really good placement on the forehand. He raised his hand to apologize, as we know. Your placement is that perfect, it's never that you wanted to play like that. It just turned out this way, but still, the idea was to play around there, so well, fair play to him. Nice, nice, nice. Really smart play from Hurricane. Only 1 point difference. One more match point left for Aiphaton, and he goes for a big forehand and takes it. Holy moly. What a match this is. Whenever it gets close, Aiphaton is better. I think this is harsh to say for Hurricane, because Aiphaton has to work here for every single point, so this is not very nice things to say, honestly. Either you're not watching this match or ooh la la. Beautiful big forehand from Aiphaton. Really good counter. Okay, that was a bit unconventional serve from Hurricane. And again, Hurricane, just patience. This is something like, this is very major play from Hurricane. And it's Hurricane with 2 game points. This is very interesting right now. First one saved. And Hurricane gets what he really needs. Game under his belt. Now he needs to win at least 1 out of the next 2. What a rally, what a rally. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff. And Hurricane coming out on top. And imagine that he's still playing with a controller. He got his Vassal today. This is gonna be very interesting to see what he's capable of when he settles in with his Vassal adapter. Or controller, should I say. Aye. Bit of a snowball going downwards for Hurricane. Aiphaton not making it any easier. And Aipha levels the score in this 4th match. We will have a decider. Now the pressure is on Joe. Beautiful forehand, big forehand from Hurricane. Aye, didn't move his feet. Bit unfortunate. He didn't have one yet. Now he has Vassal that arrived today, so he will play with Vassal. But he didn't have any adapter before. Another really big rally. But this time the trend doesn't continue. This time it's Aiphaton coming out on top. (7-5) Hurricane to serve. Ay, 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 ay. Such a shame. Such a shame that it ended that way. Really good defending from Aiphaton, makes it 7-all. I think the more pressure right now is on Aiphaton, because if he loses this match, then Hurricane will start believing. This will give him the confidence boost. Another really good rally. This is just insane. So many long rallies, and Hurricane was coming out on top. Just, even if he loses this match, just props to him. This is a great display. Aiphaton went for that slower, more spinny loop. This time didn't work. And now he's down match point, and now Hurricane wins it. Now we have the match on our hands, guys. Now, everything that we've seen, it doesn't really matter. Joe just won a match. This, in his 16 years old brain, means that everything is possible right now. Now he will not leave an inch off the table. This will be crazy right now. This will be freaking crazy. I'm fearing for Aiphaton right now. Really good forehand from Hurricane. Still 2 points behind Aiphaton. 2-5, second serve Hurricane. Oh la la, what a rally, what a rally. They both need so many shots to win the point. Facebook group and Discord. That's where we are posting.
Let's serve.
Aiphaton wins the first game of that 5th match. Please keep it English in the chat, okay? So everyone can understand. I understand that there are German people, like French people and things like this, but keep it simple for everyone to understand. And if you want to say something to your friends in your own language, you can always just message them. Ooh, that was around the net from Aiphaton. Amazing recovery. Oh la 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 la, great recovery from Aiphaton. Even though he lost the point, he almost got an edge in the net. Great stretch on the forehand from Aiphaton, didn't recover quick enough for the backhand. Another really good rally, and Aiphaton finally going for that big forehand counter loop. Makes it 8-5. Makes it 9-5, and now with 2 serves on his hand, he looks in a good position, 5 match points to seal the deal and win it, and he takes it on the fast chance.
Great games, man. Great games. No mic. Ah, damn it. Thank you very much for the games, man. Really good played. Really good rallies. Thank you very much.